हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एमएसक्यू बूस्टर। इस वीडियो में अपन हिस्ट्री का पार्ट सेकंड स्टार्ट करेंगे और जिसमें मैं 50 क्वेश्चन करूँगा। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्या? द लैंग्वेज फ्रॉम विच द टर्म इंडिया इज ड्राइव, इस करेक्ट आंसर इज पर्शियन। द स्टेपल फूड ऑफ वैदिक आर्यन वॉज, इस करेक्ट आंसर इज सेकंड, मिल्क एंड इट प्रोडक्ट। Rus temple at Mahabalipuram were built in the region of which Pallava ruler? His correct answer is Narasimha Varman I. Most of the Chola temple were dedicated to. His correct answer is second, Lord Shiva. The tax which the king used to collect from the people in the Vedic period was called is Bali first. Charak was the famous court physician of. His correct answer is Kanishka. Which one of the following stage of the life of man in Aryan society in ascending order of age is correct? And correct answer हो जाएगा इसका फर्स्ट, ब्रह्मचार्य, गृहस्था, बनप्रस्था एंड संन्यासा. Who was the Chola king who brought Ganga from north to south? Then the correct answer is Rajendra Chola. That the Rigvedic Aryan were a postural people and won out by the fact that. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा क्या? देयर आर मैनी रेफरेंस टू द काउ इन द ऋग वेदा. मोस्ट ऑफ द वॉर वर फाउट फॉर द सेक ऑफ काउ. गिफ्ट मेड टू प्रीस्ट वर यूजुअली काउ एंड नॉट लैंड. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर ऑल ऑफ द अबव. चोला किंग वर रूलिंग ओवर. तो चोला किंग कहाँ पर रूल था? तमिलनाडु फर्स्ट. आर इन द फॉलोइंग मगधन डायनेस्टी इन क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर. तो देन इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा क्या? थर्ड, हरियाणा डायनेस्टी, शिशुसंगा डायनेस्टी, नंदा डायनेस्टी एंड मौर्य डायनेस्टी. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट द थ्री रत्न ऑफ जैनिज्म? देन इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा थर्ड, राइट टू व्यू. द ग्रीक वर ड्राइविंग आउट ऑफ इंडिया वाई? इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा फर्स्ट, चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य. द ग्रेट पार्ट ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन फाउंड एट. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा मोहनजोदारो. Second, Bahamira is it is a power station. Who among the following is not a physician? The correct answer is Charvaka. Third, the corn of which of the following reveals their love for music? Then its correct answer will be third, Gupta's period. First grammarian of Sanskrit language was, correct answer is fourth, Panni. When did the best production of Gandhar sculpture appear? इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा कुषाण पीरियड. द केव ऑफ अजंता एंड एलोरा बिलोंग टू. इस करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा बुद्धिस्ट. नेम द टेम्पल इन इंडोनेशिया वेयर सीन ऑफ रामायण एंड महाभारत आर डिपिक्ट. इस करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा फर्स्ट, बरोधुपुर. The religion which preached desire is the cause for all suffering is. इसका correct answer हो जाएगा Buddhism. Mention the center of the Roman trade during the Sangam age. The correct answer is Mussiri. Fourth, who among the following propagated the theory of zero? Is correct answer Aryabhatta. Third, where was the first Buddhist council held? Then its correct answer is third, Rajgriha. During the region of which Pallav ruler began the long-drawn struggle between the Pallavas and the Chalukyas? Its correct answer is first, Mahendravarman I. From which modern state did the Alvar Sant originate? Its correct answer is Tamil Nadu first. Well-prepared tree fossil supposed to be from Jurassic age in India is reported from. Its correct answer is Chhattisgarh. What is the first summon of Buddha called as? Its correct answer is Dharmachakra Parivartan Sutta. Second, who was called Lichavi Duhitra? Its correct answer is first, Chandragupta first. Bardhaman Mahavira is known as. इसका करेक्ट आंसर इज जेना. Which of the following dynasty succeeded the Mauryas? Its correct answer is Sunga dynasty second. King Kharavela was the great ruler of Chetty dynasty of. Correct answer is second Kalinga. The Uttara Mirur inscription provide the information on the administration of. Its correct answer is fourth Cholas. Which one of the following is the principal source of information of Ashok campaign against Kalinga? And its correct answer is fourth Rock Edict 13. Which one of the following inscription related to Chalukya king Pulkeshin II? Its correct answer is Ahol. The capital of Asian Chola kingdom was. The correct answer is first Urayur. Name the famous king of Kushan dynasty. The correct answer is Kanishka first. The site of birth of Gautam Buddha is marked by. This correct answer हो जाएगा second a rudimentary pillar of Ashok Maurya. During which of the following period of India history did the Kshatriya has a distinct identity? This correct answer हो जाएगा क्या? During the period of age of the Buddha. The term Upanishad literally implies. The correct answer is sitting near. Third. The origin of Indian music can be traced to which of the following Vedic samhitas? This correct answer is second Samveda. In which rock edict Ashoka mentioned about the casualties of Kaling war and declared the renunciation of war? This correct answer is rock edict 13. Panch Siddhanta of Baramihira deal with. Panch Siddhanta of Baramihira deal with. इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा एस्ट्रोनॉमी. Lothal, the dockyard site of Indus Valley civilization is situated in. इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा गुजरात. Name the Greek ambassador at the Mauryan court. इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा second Megasthenes. Which one of the following is most lasting contribution of the Rashtrakuta? उसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा second Pamba, Puna, Rana, the three writer of Kannada poetry, and Kalidas temple, Kailas temple. The original founder of manuscript and editor of Kautilya Arthashastra was. The correct answer is third R. Ramasastri. 6th century BC was an age of. Correct answer is religious firmament. Who is the founder of Jainism in India? This correct answer is Mahavira. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो सब्सक्राइब करें और थैंक यू.